Welcome everyone, this is Dina from Mark's Group Live. Happy to be reviewing How Do I Integrate Zoho Campaigns and Zoho CRM. After the video is over, feel free to email us at support@marksgrouplive.com for any questions on this subject or anything else Zoho. Be sure to rate this class as well, helping out your fellow Zoho users, as well as helping us to improve our video library. Here are some of the main points we're going to be talking about today. Integrating Zoho Campaigns and Zoho CRM will allow you to sync contacts without having to worry about importing or exporting lists into either product. Integration also helps you view detailed campaign results in Zoho CRM. And finally, you can customize fields in Zoho CRM that will allow you to build segments for more targeted campaigns in Zoho Campaign. So just to, before we move into the actual system, the key here is that there are benefits to both pull information into Zoho Campaigns from Zoho CRM and also to push information from Zoho Campaigns into Zoho CRM. So if we move into the system itself, I'm on Zoho Campaigns right now, but you can see at the top of the page that I don't only have Zoho Campaigns open, but I also have Zoho CRM. And we're going to need access to both of these products in order to do the integration. And I will say before we start that right now we already have in our instance the two products integrated, but you'll still see how you can go about doing this. So the first step you want to do in Zoho Campaigns is go to Sync Services, and there's two places you can do that. You can do that here on the dashboard under Sync Services, or you can go to Subscribers and go to Sync Services as well. And if you go to Sync Services, this is basically saying which information do you want to sync between your product, this Zoho Campaign product, and other products. So as you can see here in the left, Zoho CRM is already set up and has some active syncs. If this was not integrated already, it would look like this over here on Zoho Meeting, where you can see it says Associate New Account, and then if you go to Associate New Account here, it would guide you through what to do. But I can show you this directly in Zoho CRM. If I was to go to the active sync here, and then from here, if I go to settings, you can see here, this first box is account details and privileges. And there's the email address for the Marks group. And then there's something called a ZSC key. And that ZSC key is what is key to linking, or no pun intended, is what's important to link all the different Zoho products. So if I was to edit this, you can see here that I can either change this user or I can update any information here. So this is what would appear if you didn't have this synced or integrated, and you would have to go here to put in the ZSC key. So where do you get that key from? Well, you have to get it from Zoho CRM. So if you go into Zoho CRM and you click on this on the settings at the top right, and then you want to scroll down, and under developer space you want to go to APIs on the bottom right. If I click on APIs, you can see at the top I have three tabs: CRM API, Zoho Service Communication ZSC key, and Phone Bridge Token. Now, as you'll recall in Zoho Campaigns, it's the ZSC key what we need. So if we go back into Zoho CRM and you click on ZSC key, what you would do is you would copy this, and then you would go back into Zoho Campaigns and you would then paste it here as well. And just to confirm to you that these are linked right now and this is how they're linked, you can see that the last four digits here are A085. And if I go back into Zoho CRM, you can see here that the last four digits are that same A085, and this is the same, it is the key that we used. So once you do that, you would update it, and then it would show up here, and then you'd be able to go ahead and sync lists and do whatever you would like to do. So we'll get into syncing lists and what that actually means in future videos, but just as a high level, what it means is that you are basically setting it up so as you update your CRM contacts, that information will be updated here in Zoho Campaigns as well. So if an email address changes in Zoho CRM, you don't have to come back into Zoho Campaigns to update it. You can set this up to always update, and then that is what the sync services would be. So if we go back to our key takeaways, as I first mentioned, the benefit of integrating the two systems is that Campaigns and Zoho, you would be able to sync their contacts, and you don't have to worry about importing or exporting lists or worrying about when to update anything. Second, integration would allow you to view detailed campaign results in Zoho CRM. So you don't always have to toggle through the two systems to see certain information. And finally, you can customize fields in Zoho CRM that will help you build segments to make more targeted campaigns in Zoho Campaigns. Now, these last two bullets, we are going to have specific videos on, so you can go to those for access. And the goal of this video was really just to show you how you can integrate the different products. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out our library for other training videos like this one. If you have any suggestions for other classes or questions you may have about Zoho, please email us at support@marksgrouplive.com. Thank you for watching.